Hi guys, so today we're doing Avery's first beach day, and I firmly believe it's going to be a blast. We're already off to a great start. We're going down the PCH, and anyone who drives down the PCH already knows that this highway just makes you feel great. We were so excited. We invited our friend Aria. We convinced her to play hooky. But trust me, it was worth it. All for a good cause. Avery, how do you feel about your first day at the beach? Oh, wow. Okay. Well, thank you for that.
Yeah, no dogs allowed out here.
Nope, so you gotta go back to the car. This is such Grenada vibes. Me vlogging, us walking through bushes and vegetation. Honestly, it was a bit of a walk to the beach. It was cute. I was gonna speed through it, but it was so cute that I decided to just take it all in. It wasn't a very hot day either, so this didn't feel like work, but yeah, cute little walk. Hold her up.
They don't sand-proof strollers?
No. Say hi, Avery. Baby's first beach day. Baby, you okay? Okay. Look at this cinnamon.
All this stuff.
Yeah, that's what I was talking
Yeah, we were talking about that
about.
earlier.
Everything that you got.
Hi, Mama. Look at my superstar. Baby, take your shirt off. I convinced everyone to go to Malibu. I just feel like Malibu is the best beach. Perfect sunsets. Honestly, people tend to stay out of your way over here. The water is as cold as hell is hot, but it was worth it. I love Malibu.
I hate you. Hey, why?
Come on, Richard. Yeah, we at the beach. We at the beach. We at the beach. Yeah, the water's freezing. This is America. like always, I make a plan to go somewhere, and then once we're there, I'm like, geez, what now? Like, you know what I mean? There's only so much you could do at a beach, and then I'm like, she's a baby. Like, she doesn't even care about building sandcastles. At this point, I'm like, sheesh. But still, let's see what the lighting's like, or, you know, make the best out of a bad situation. Well, not bad, but boring. I was a little bored. Time to get in the water. Ayo, if you talk about my weight gain after my baby, I just want you to know to go write it down on a piece of paper and give it to y'all mothers. All right, thank you.
Whoa, it's colder than it was before.
I can't do it.